I hope you're having a great day. So yesterday I made up the rest of my flowers out of the cooler, and they're all looking good except for the dahlias, which it's crazy. The dahlias have been in that cooler for like 15 days and they look great when I put them in the vases yesterday, but like I suspected, not so much today. So I'm going to flip you around and I'll give you a view of each of the arrangements so you can see how they're doing. I personally think the Lisianthus and the snapdragons are doing great. And the Dusty Miller, some of it was like really droopy and it just looked dead, and I thought for sure it was just going to stay dead. Nope, it popped all up and is everywhere. So Dusty Miller can definitely stay in the cooler a long time, which is good to know. So here is the first arrangement. And this is one of the dahlias. But since it is close to Halloween, and then this one. So they didn't fare well, but this Lisianthus is starting to open. The snapdragons are all standing up and looking great. And a few dead ones at Halloween aren't bad. And check this out. This is a little witch that my grandma made me when I was little in '82. Isn't that cute? I've managed not to break it all these years. And that is a feat. Like, not breaking things is not something that I'm good at. But I think that's awesome. And so I have the little flowers next to my little witch my grandma made me back in 1982. Okay, and here's the other one. Some of these Lisianthus weren't like looking the best out of the cooler, but I think they have a really cool look anyway, especially since it's Halloween coming up. And they're all still alive, they're all still living. That snapdragon still looks gorgeous. That one has a few spots, but it's still opening up. Could still pull off a petal and talk to the kids. So those are the purple Lisianthus is looking great. So they still look pretty. Like, nobody's gonna be up here probably on them. So I think they're still looking good. And if I come in here, these Lisianthus are really opening up and looking good. That snapdragon looks gorgeous. And the whole arrangement, minus the dahlia again. I knew these were gonna die. That's kind of why I brought these here to my house. I just knew they weren't gonna make it, but still really cute with the little Halloween decor. So I'll probably just leave the little dead dahlia in. Somebody joined the pink snapdragons. A little skull in there to make them not look quite as happy and summery. But they're all looking great. They're just opening up. They're looking beautiful. They're standing up. I think they're gonna last as long as I water them. Yeah, they've drank a lot of water. So I think that's a really good sign. I know it is only day one, but I'll keep checking them and I'll keep updating you, and I will let you know just how they do. So what did I do today in flower farming? I actually only went to the farm and walked my dogs so far. I haven't been out there. It was really cold and it was really wet, and I was like, you know what, maybe I'll let it dry off. Tomorrow is about 10 degrees warmer. I'll enjoy it much more. And I did have some stuff to do. I wanted to clean up my car because I needed an oil change and all these like other personal tasks I needed to get done. So I thought today it would be fun, since I have my Lisianthus and my snapdragons and my Dusty Miller. Those are kind of the last ones that are still going, and I still have arrangements in my house. So I thought I'd do just kind of a fun little video, maybe to music, of the process of all of it. I won't put you through all of the processes, but I thought it'd be fun just to kind of throw up some dates and throw up like when I seed started, and just kind of a little bit of information. I did decide that maybe it's enough to do just the progression of Lisianthus, and maybe I can do another one on the progression of snapdragons and different flowers this winter, when all I have, I'll start seeds again in January, but in December I probably won't have a lot of field work or a lot of video work, so I can do videos like that. And it's easier to search. Like, if you want to know about Lisianthus and you don't care about the snapdragons, it'd be easier to find a video that only has one topic. So in this video, I'm sticking to Lisianthus. It's that time of year again. I get to start my seeds. I'm so excited. So I'm starting with Lisianthus. If you remember or follow my videos from last year, I started Lisianthus right about this time. And I did get some beautiful Lisianthus towards the end of the summer, so I'm starting them again, and I hope this time that I have some throughout the summer. I actually saw my first 2 true leaves popping on one of my Lisianthus plants, so yay! So now the first 2 leaves that come out are the cotyledon leaves, and now kind of in a cross, like a crisscross pattern, now the true leaves are coming on the other side of that. Check this out. They're just tiny, but if you see right there and look at the very middle of that plant, and you see the 2 leaves that are starting to pop out, those are the first true leaves. The other 2 are the cotyledon leaves. They will soon fall off and die. Don't these just look so happy? Oh, they look great. They're happy. They're in the sun again. I will get started. So here are the Lisianthus I'm talking about. I'm thinking I'm seeing some buds on top of them. I'm so excited. Ah! I spy a wonderful thing in my garden. What is that? That is a purple Lisianthus. It's a little short. It's a little short, but it's my first Lisianthus. Oh my gosh, it's glorious! Oh my gorgeous color of purple Lisianthus. Those are beautiful. Got a little Lisianthus to cut too. Gorgeous. Bucket number 2 of some gorgeous Lisianthus. A lot of white. 59 Lisianthus. Gorgeous. Look at this gorgeous bucket of Lisianthus. So pretty. Tomorrow is our last nice day, and then the temperatures just drop and then continue to drop and drop. So after putting the video together, I realized there may be some confusion since I cut my last Lisianthus on October 11th, and I'm saying that these are 20 days old. It's because the ones that I cut last, I sent to my florist, and I had a bucket that I was doing testing with in my cooler, and it was marked October 4th. That's when I picked those, and those are the Lisianthus that are in my house, still looking lovely today on October 25th. And I have a feeling they might still look okay by November 1st. What a great flower. I'll definitely be starting it again this year. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day.